because of what's happening this week, Brother Punch, in the redistricting of Tennessee, Louisiana. There's a few other states, but all of them are in the South.
Mhm.
And at least this last flurry is in the South. And the reason I wanted to talk about them is because all of them are last minute. Let's hurry up and let's redraw the maps right now. Let's stop elections. Let's redraw the maps. And everything was okay. Yeah, let's cut this district in Alabama. Let's redo these districts in Louisiana and all this sort of thing. And the Supreme Court in the different states okayed it. Things and this seems abnormal, but now all of a sudden you have this. Now in the political world, this is Democrat versus Republican. This is, in many cases, going to be viewed, or is, a black versus white issue. And it has gotten people all stirred up. But the reason I wanted to talk about it this evening is because I'm hearing amongst God's people a lamenting, and I understand it from a human standpoint. There's a lamenting. The Voting Rights Act has taken a hit in the Supreme Court. The redistricting, cutting down the minority vote, and making sure that in their world that the Democrats stay out of power, but it's happening along racial lines. These are just the facts of what's happening. And so as we're looking at this, when I'm hearing God's people responding with lamenting, saying, Lord, I don't understand why this is happening. To me, I said, wow, this has prophetic significance, and it is also a test. And I want to get your thoughts on it, so I'm just kind of setting the stage. But here's what here's what I'm seeing. All right, there are some in God's church who will say they're happy about it. They agree. They may be MAGA minded or whatever. Then you're going to have the other side is going to say this is not right. And this feels like we're going backwards into 1964, going back to slavery times and all this sort of thing. And here's the test. Because if we're going to be saved, we've got to love each other. But Satan is trying to cause a division wherewith love cannot exist, unity cannot happen, but the real hit is the message. The message cannot progress because a divided group of people who say they believe the truth and love the truth are now divided and cannot work together because of an external influence is causing a shaking within.